The bitch tried to bring me down, but I didn't let her. I don't know what that was, but that was Wizz having. Nah, nah, nah. I know what that was. That was a representation of how I'm living. I'm gonna go over my trade real quick. Uh, so when I came to the market, price gapped up, and I had this resistance level marked off here. So price was just sitting on resistance, and then we had the support way down here. We wasn't really aiming for this one though. It was more so this one. This is the psychological 500 level that I've been playing. So amazing. It's been paying the bills, King Cap. But I think we're moving away from it now. So, anyways, today when I came to the chart, it looked like this. We were sitting on resistance, and price shot down right before market open, right here. Market open on this green candle, and it swept this bit of price here. So I wasn't even looking toward that. To me, that just reinforced the sell. That told me sellers was in. So, because there was a gap here. So, like, why would I not try to play the gap? This is actually the exact same setup on Friday. If I can find it. Oh, look, it's right here. Yeah, this is the same setup from Friday. Like, price was on resistance, but this price trended up into this one. Price gapped up today. But, anyways, yeah, we got the sweep. Because I was only looking for sales, I was waiting for a sweep of this price up here, and we got it. And yeah, I got in on my normal entry model. Price danced around a bit. Low key was looking kind of good. I'm not gonna cap, but then there was a point where I was like, oh yeah, it's taking too long. Like you could tell the sellers didn't have enough steam, enough momentum because we was just getting stopped. But then I realized it was like, oh yeah, we got three different supports here. So I was like, this might lose. And also, I wanted to close this. When I came to that realization, I was like, oh, I kind of want to close this because I'm one trade off of passing my challenge. So I was like, I could just, preserve the account, live to fight another day, because I was gonna take this at a 1-to-1, at least on this account. But it lost, so all of that went out the window. But yeah, I wasn't too upset, but it was eh, like dang, I couldn't just win. But then I remember like that had low key happened to me all the time. Like before a big like event, quote unquote big event. But before anything progressive, anything big like that, like I always like lose before. Not like catastrophic. Like this ain't nothing. This is just part of the game. But like usually there's always a loss before the progression. So it's nothing, but it is what it is. And then it reminded me of Naruto because I'm watching Naruto right now. And for the tuning exams, Lee was ready to box Neji. He was ready to box. And he was like, dang, when it's gonna be my turn? And everybody kept going before him. And then at one point he was like, nah, I don't even want to go next now. I don't even care if I go last. And then of course he was up next. So that's just how life go for real. When if you know anything about anything, you know how accurate that is. So that's why he the best character. That's why he my YouTube avatar or whatever. But yeah, all of that for to say I lost. And on to the next one.